Yard work and home improvement projects are some of the tasks that many people don't exactly look forward to, but North Dakota is home to plenty of eager volunteers who can make those jobs a little bit easier with a smile.
People like me, it would never get done without rebuilding together, people helping.
After Logan Houston's father passed away, Logan was left with quite a bit to take care of as far as maintenance and repairs. He found it to be overwhelming. That's where Rebuilding Together came in to help him out. With a team of volunteers and some local businesses pitching in, they got to work cleaning and repairing Houston's home.
People want to have things that are workable and functional, and it's so nice to see at the end the change that you can make in one day in somebody's house.
But Houston is not the only person who received some help from the Rebuilders today. Right now, they've got about 8 projects around town. We're talking Bismarck, Mandan, and Lincoln.
People get in situations, whether it's financial or just disability-wise, where they can't or they get overwhelmed, and we're here to help, and it helps them just move on with life or just be able to live in the home that they already have. And our goal is really to keep people in their homes.
The Rebuilders say the focus is to keep people warm, safe, and dry. If you think your house could use some fixer-upper, a little bit of help around the place, and you'd like Rebuilding Together to help you tackle the projects, you can find information on who to call, who to ask at kxnet.com.